Hi, I'm super sleepy right now, but hey, I'm Laksana, just an average person who's trying to be consistent. I wake up every single day and do 100 push-ups before 5 to 6 a.m. every single day, and it's fully documented on my Instagram. You can just check it out. This is July 29th, 2025, and this is gonna be day 386 of consistently helping people build consistency. So these are the 3 really important steps that you want to have when you are trying to be consistent at doing something new. 1, start a small but consistent daily goals. 2, you do the mathematics. 3, you increase the number slowly. So for example, you want to be studying consistently, okay? Studying a new subject, let's say mathematics. The thing you want to be doing here is not to set some crazy goals first, not doing, you do not want to just set the goals of, 1 hour of studying every single day, 2 hours of studying every single day. No, we start small first. Start with 5 minutes every single day. Well, people tend to underestimate 5 minutes every single day, but actually this is a really wise way to start because 1, it is easy, and 2, you are training yourself to get adapted to do the thing first. Okay, so now moving on to the second step, do the mathematics. Again, people tend to underestimate small goals, but they haven't done the calculation yet. When we are talking about consistency, we are not only talking about doing the thing in terms of days, we are talking it in terms of years. So we need to see the long run game here. 5 minutes every single day is equals to more than 30 hours in 1 year, okay? So we go small first, 5 minutes every single day. Then once we have feeling adapted to it, maybe after 1 week or 2 weeks, we are going to increase the daily target into 10 minutes every single day. And again, do the calculation again, okay? 10 minutes every single day equals to more than 60 hours in 1 year. So you basically do the process, okay? Set on a goal, just start small first, and then you do the mathematics, see the long run game, got adapted to doing the goal, and then you increase the numbers, and you do the mathematics again, it's going to increase again. Repeat the process like that. So that's how you actually be consistent at doing something. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, join our Discord. And also, for today's date, I'll answer the post. Today's July 29th, 2025, and today's memes are posted the Pacific Ocean lasts 24 hours. The Pacific Ocean post lasts 24 hours, GMT +7, but this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I edit it by myself.